monster of some kind.
Okay, well that's good. They're all good. There's no wrong answer, of course. So here's one of the sea monsters here.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
another
my
one,
gosh, I
another
never
one
would've
here.
known that.
And
Yeah, you can see
I
that
never
here.
know how imagery turns out that looks sharp pre-grouting. When I add the grout, it may or may not be easily defined. There's actually this sea serpent in the title.
great,
It's this that
yeah.
runs around here.
You
Yeah.
stretch this all out?
Has two eyes.
That's great.
And there's another one over here. This one I call like a piranha.
Uh-huh.
Akiva, do you sketch this all out before you put them in?
No,
No, I didn't think so.
just section by section. They just proceed.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a turtle? I think I see a turtle
Where?
right here. Right there, that could be the, oh no, that's part of the other thing, but it could be a turtle right there.
Sure. It's actually, there's the top of the mouth or the jaw.
Oh, yeah,
bottom
yeah.
eye. And
But within him, he's got a little
Yeah.
turtle within him.
Absolutely.
so this here with the Hebrew writing and English letters is from a black and white photograph in a book I have of, called Jewish Art and Civilization. It was I'm trying to remember if it might have been for Passover, like a woven cloth from Germany from the 1920s or something like that. This little figure here from a plate I bought. It's kind of like a book. It's like individual plates I bought at Yad Vashem for an exhibit called No Child's Play, which was dolls and different things that were made by inmates in concentration and death camps. And this photo of one of these things, it looks, an inmate had made this like figurine of a girl. So that's it in a nutshell. The title, I'm just knocking around the zoo. It's part of the lyrics of a song by senior moment here.